What if I told you, this is not a hotel, this is not a private jet, and this is definitely not camping. This is the Toyota Aurora Grand 2026. A luxury motorhome so advanced, so refined, it feels like it belongs in the future. Today, we're stepping inside Toyota's most extreme vision of road living, where technology, comfort, and luxury collide. Stay until the end, because this motorhome changes how freedom looks. The Toyota Aurora Grand doesn't arrive, it commands attention. With its aerodynamic body, seamless glass panels, glowing LED signature lines, and massive alloy wheels, this motorhome looks more like a concept car than an RV. The paint alone shifts shades under sunlight. And the moment the automatic doors open, you already know this is something different. Step inside, and the world outside disappears. The living area feels like a five-star executive lounge. Hand-stitched leather seating, floating wooden panels, soft ambient lighting controlled by AI, panoramic windows wrap around the cabin, turning every destination into a private movie screen. The TV rises silently from the floor. The sound system surrounds you without showing a single speaker. This isn't a living room, it's a statement. Toyota didn't design a kitchen, they designed an experience. Marble countertops, induction cooking, a built-in espresso machine, a climate-controlled wine display. Cabinets glide open with a touch. Nothing rattles. Nothing moves, even at highway speeds. You could be parked in the middle of a desert, yet cooking like you're in a luxury apartment in Tokyo. Now this is where reality breaks. The bedroom inside the Toyota Aurora Grand feels like a boutique hotel suite. King-size bed, memory foam mattress, mood lighting that adapts to your heartbeat. With one button, the bed lifts and transforms the space into a private office or lounge. Total silence, total comfort. You don't sleep here, you disconnect from the world. Up front, the Aurora Grand feels like a spaceship. Digital displays wrap around the cabin. Eye driving assistance, camera-based mirrors, adaptive cruise and lane control. Driving this motorhome doesn't feel heavy. It feels smooth, silent, and powerful, exactly what you expect from Toyota engineering. The Toyota Aurora Grand 2026 isn't built for everyone. It's built for people who value freedom over fixed addresses. Entrepreneurs, creators, visionaries. People who wake up and choose their view of mountains today, oceans tomorrow. This isn't about showing off, it's about living without limits. If this motorhome blew your mind, you're not alone. Subscribe for more luxury motorhomes and futuristic RV tour. Like this video if you'd live in the Toyota Aurora Grand. Comment below, would you trade your house for this?